If you just got your dbrand grip for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, relax, this is going to be easy. Note that your grip comes with up to 3 elements: a case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a skin. Let's get started. First, use the included microfiber cloth to clean your device. Next, use one of the included alcohol wipes to thoroughly clean the front and sides. The grip case is lined with a series of adhesive strips, so it's important to make sure that your phone is spotless before inserting it into the grip. Now, let's install the grip case, beginning with the front piece. To begin, remove the protective strip covering the adhesive on the left edge of the case. Make sure you leave the thin strip untouched. Now, open your fold and slide the device into the case. Next, with your phone closed, squeeze to ensure proper adhesion between the case and your device. Now, hold the device as shown and pop off the left edge. Using the exposed tab, peel off the remaining strip. Now, pop the edges back on. Take extra care to ensure the left edge is straight. Finally, apply firm pressure to secure the case to your device. Let's move on to the back piece. Just like before, we'll need to use the remaining alcohol wipe to clean the back and sides of your fold. To install the back piece, begin by removing the 3 protective strips. Now, hold both the device and the case as shown. Next, press down on the case to snap it onto the phone. Finally, squeeze the sides to ensure proper adhesion between the case and your device. If you aren't installing a skin, you're done. For instructions on how to customize your grip case, keep watching. Before getting started, let's take a closer look at the case. First thing to note is the raised lip around the camera. This feature will help you line up the skin properly. Second is the ridge around the entire back of the case. This ridge will help keep the skin straight. To get started, remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach exactly as shown. When aligning the skin, the section covered by the 3M paper won't stick to the case. You can use this to slide the skin around and get it lined up perfectly. Align the 2 exposed edges of the skin against the inner ridge of the case. Make sure the camera cutout is fitted properly around the raised lip. Once everything is lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the exposed edges. Finally, remove the 3M paper and smooth out the back surface. Keep in mind that the skin can be replaced with a new one at any time. Removal is easy. Just peel it up from any corner and pull it off. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.